Our next topic is dealing with complex procedures. See children, sometime our procedure has become very large and complex one. So in that time we want to split our procedure into smaller sections. Okay, a large and complicated procedure can be divided into several smaller procedures. So it is called sub procedures. So not only a single procedure, you can able to divide your large procedure into a smaller one. So it is called sub procedure. So now we can see how to create able to divide your procedure into smaller tasks. Okay, so for example, if I ask you to write a word hello in the computer, okay, in the logo. So you want to create for each and every letter a procedure. Okay, for H, E, L, L, O. Okay, so if you do this work in a single task, means it is very difficult to complete. In a single procedure, it is very difficult to complete. Now we are going to split it into a small procedure. First you are going to write a procedure only for H and then for E. Okay, so if you are splitting the procedure like this and then if you join together, it is called main procedure. Okay, so our task will become very simple one. Okay children, so now we are going to see how to create a sub procedure and how to create a main procedure. Now we are going to do a task. We are going to write a large procedure to write a word hello. Okay, so I am going to show you how a large procedure can be divided into smaller one. Okay, so how I am splitting that procedure into small one, and after finally I am creating a final procedure, that is a main procedure. So now I am going to do a task to write the word hello. Clear? So see how we are going to start it. Okay, so first I am going to create a procedure for the letter H. So hello spelling H-E-L-L-O. So if I write that procedure fully in a single procedure, it is a very large one. So I am going to create first one letter H. So for that I am typing my procedure for letter H. Okay, so you can see in the input box, first I given FD and BK command and then RT90 FD40. Okay, and then you can use, so you want to think how our turtle is turning, in which direction it want to turn. So this everything is belong to your logical thinking one. Okay, so I am giving the command for creating the letter H in the logo screen. Okay, so after typing all my command, I am using the end command to complete my procedure. So now you see the letter H is defined. Okay, so if I type the procedure name letter H in the input box, letter H, so you can see the H shape is created in the monitor in our drawing area. So our first task is over. And the second one, we want to give space between each letter. So for that I am going to create a new procedure. It is to move. So we want to move the turtle now to give space. So for that I am giving the command as RT90 and we want to make the pen up. Otherwise it will draw line in between. So pen up FD3 and then LT90 and pen down. So after moving, we want to bring back the pen down and complete your procedure by giving end command. So now you see the procedure move is defined. So if you give move, automatically you can see the turtle is little bit, the head of the turtle is moved. But it is moved only little bit because I given FD3. So I want to edit it. So I want to make a change in this move command. So I use edit command. So you can see all the commands together. Here I am changing the FD 10 or 20, you can change it. Okay, so after changing the value, just click on the close button, so automatically it will save it. So now you give move command. So now you can see the turtle give space. So according to that procedure, it is moved 20 steps. Clear, children? So now itself we have created two procedure. One is letter H and the next one is move. Okay. So I am going to show you the next letter. For hello, we are having a big task to write hello, Hello. So first letter is over and then we created move. And our second letter is E. Okay, so already I have typed and defined it. I will show you how I created this E. So see, 2 letter E, FD 100, RT 90, FD 70 and BK 70, RT 90, FD 50, LT 90, FD 50. So again, so these commands we are supposed to think by our logical sense and we want to write it. So before you are writing in the computer, you can also write in your rough note and just think how the turtle will turn. So if you give LT, it will turn left side. So according to that, you want to think and write this command. Okay, so this is the command for writing the letter E. Okay, so automatically you can see now 2 letters we have created. One is H and the next one is E. Okay, and also we have created one more procedure to give a space between 2 letters, that is move. So now I am going to show you the main procedure, how to create the main procedure. We are combining all the small procedure into main one. So for that I am going to show you 2 HE, he. Okay, these 2 letters we are going to combine. I am going to create the main procedure and I given the name as 2 he. Okay, so HE. So I am going to create the main procedure for that. So type the first one, letter H. Okay, so that is the procedure name for H. And then type move. So this is also a procedure name, move. And the next procedure is letter E. So type letter E in the input box. So this is the main procedure for the word HE. So in the full task hello, I am going to create only 2 letters, H and E. Okay. So the final command is end. So okay. So now you can see 2 he procedure. The he is defined here. Okay. So HE is defined. The procedure name HE is defined. Okay. So now you type HE, the name of the procedure, in the input box and press the enter key. So now you can see in the monitor, in your drawing area, the letter HE is displayed. Okay. So the remaining letter LLO is your task to be created. So try to complete this task fully. So create the word hello. Okay. So now I will show you only 2 words, H and E. So remaining LLO, you create a sub procedure and then create a main procedure. Okay, children.